Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking your rubber F and the work area. Make sure the rubber is intact and you have gloves for grip. Once done, place the device at the reference mark and align it with the target angle. This alignment controls the trajectory and prevents unwanted twists. Apply a light test pressure to feel the resistance and confirm the surface reaction. Now, position your feet shoulder width and take a steady breath. This initial setup sets the stage for a controlled, repeatable motion. You now move into the execution. Initiate the first phase with a short, decisive pull to engage the rubber, then accelerate through the second phase to transfer energy. As you do this, keep your wrists steady and let forearm rotation handle small directional corrections. This prevents overcompensation. Once the rubber reaches peak tension, follow through while tracking the rebound angle so you can adjust the next rep. Maintain breathing and rhythm. Consistent cadence produces predictable outcomes. Finish by committing to a full follow-through and then easing the rubber back to neutral, which prevents sudden snaps and preserves your control. Make sure to inspect the rubber after each cycle for nicks or frays. Replacing worn material is safer than compensating. If performance deviates, reduce tension by about 10 to 20% and recheck alignment marks. Small misalignments compound quickly. If problems persist, pause and reset your setup rather than forcing more reps. It saves time and prevents injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.